Figure out where everybody's
Okay, hey Mom, when they come in and after the surprise, turn on that other light so I can get better video. Turn on all of the lights.
I'll do it. You're welcome. The dog's barking. Missing out. She's been planning this for so many months. I think it was 6 months ago she asked me if she could have it here. She put a lot of thought into it.
This is intervention. You can't believe intervention.
You got a gambling problem.
Yeah, I don't see that number on the wall anywhere here.
Oh dear. Oh, bathroom.
Josh, you're gonna follow.
Josh, it's time.
Joshua.
That's so wonderful.
You're all gonna watch this gamble now.
Oh, they're really late.
No, they're finding a place to park.
No, there's.
Probably picked up a Taco Bell and was on the way there.
He's got the big box coming in.
Or your car.
Merciful. The suspense.
You're limping.
Right? Anticlimactic.
I still have half a beer. We're good.
Hush, Kurt.
He wants to be part of everything.
What's a plan? And the dog's gonna
Maybe after a bit.
I hear him limping.
So are we gonna sing happy birthday to him when he comes in the door?
We're just gonna be surprised.
We should just mug him. Just go through his pockets.
Stab him.
Hi, girl. Okay, I think. No, that's not bad. Don't do that.
Even the dog.
Like any movie with a surprise party ever?
Or like in What About Bob, where he comes in.
Yeah, I think it's that one.
Yeah, where he's covered in mud.
Big plan on Reddit till they get here.
Okay. Yeah, no, that's not their bad. I'm sorry.
Is there somebody else in the other room? Is there somebody else in the other room?
Do we have a?
Do I hear voices in the other room?
She's hidden, don't worry.
Do we have somebody that?
Okay, that's them. They are.
Okay, everybody shh! Shh! They're talking in the other room.
Is he still walking with crutches?
No. If we can hear the door, we can hear us.
Okay. He stepped onto the 2 seconds.
We got a little surprise.
Hey guys, stop.
Ready?
Okay, I'll be there soon.
Hello, come on in.
Dad, the light. Dad.
We're late to our surprise party.
We got it.